Online, California is releasing new guidelines for in-person learning groups in childcare settings. News Channel 3's Danny Romero has more on how local childcare providers are adapting to the changes.
We had actually set up our guidelines to be at least 2 supervisors per 10 children. Now the guidelines 14-to-2 ratio, so no more than 14 kids with 2 adult supervisors.
Desert Recreation District's Public Information Officer Noel Furon says they had applied for a state waiver to reopen as an in-person learning center.
They're following all of the standard guidelines, social distancing of a minimum of 6 feet, frequent hand washing, hand sanitizing, masks are required for all of the kids. And these cohorts, we're keeping the same group of kids together. So you don't have different kids on Monday than Tuesday, because that's kind of the purpose of the cohort, is to keep the same adults and kids together.
Furon says they have 40 students enrolled in their program, but will be accepting more as these guidelines continue to change.
But we will never go above that ratio. If the room is bigger and so that we can go up to the 14 children and the 2 adults, it just means they will be spaced out further, but we won't go above that guidance.
One parent feeling secure about sending his kids there.
It's very safe. So before the kids can go into the building, they have to have their temperature taken, and that teacher then stays with those kids no matter what. So if only 6 show up, no more kids are added into that group.
We reached out to the Boys and Girls Club of Coachella Valley about their child care plans. A spokesperson tells us the plans submitted will be 2 staff members per 10 kids. Danny Romero, News Channel 3.